Hi, I'm Sarah, and with me is our EP3500EZ strap loading attachment. This unit can be used on our mobile strapping truck or our tool balancer cart, and is designed to lean back the disc assemblies to make the loading process easier. Before applying the EP3500EZ, first move the roller assembly back on the mast and tighten the brake so that it stays in place. Then, twist off the wing nut and remove the front disc assembly. Take a 3/8 Allen key and remove the socket head screw on the back of the disc stand. Then, slide off the back disc assembly. Next, flip the cart on its back so that the front tires face up. Using a 35mm socket wrench, unscrew the flange and washer on the bottom of the disc stand. Then, remove the disc stand from the base frame. Taking the EP3500EZ, unscrew the shaft collar using a 3.5mm Allen key and remove the positioning knob. Then, unscrew the clamping knob. Using the 35mm socket wrench, flange, and washer, attach the EP3500EZ onto the bottom disc stand. Then, flip the cart forward so that all the tires are touching the ground. Place the disc stand and the EP3500EZ onto the cart's base frame and replace the positioning knob. Making sure the attachment is centered, tilt the disc stand back and screw in the clamping knob so that it sits on the base frame for stability. Replace the rear disc assembly using the 3/8 Allen key and the socket head screw. Then, place a strapping coil onto the disc assembly. Replace the front disc assembly and wing nut. Once the strapping is secure, unscrew the clamping knob from the EP3500EZ and lean forward the strapping. Then, replace the clamping knob so that it's underneath the base frame. To reposition the strapping, simply twist the positioning knob and move it along the base frame. Again, this is our EP3500EZ strap loading attachment, made right here at Encore Packaging in the USA. For more information, please contact your nearest distributor. Thank you.